Merry Christmas, everyone!
Hello everyone! Today is Christmas time, so we want to make Ray, what do we want to make?
A Christmas tree!
Yes, just like this little Christmas tree. Look, I made some samples here. You see, we just need thank you, Ray. We just need this square paper for that. We'll need pipe cleaner. If you want to make a star for your tree, then you will need one pipe cleaner for one Christmas tree. And also, how to call this? Pompoms. You need lots of pompoms if you want to make many Christmas trees. So let's get started.
We use double-sided tape to stick pom-poms.
We already completed half. Let's keep going.
Put the tape first and then cover it with pom-poms layer by layer.
Wow, guys, it's
Now let's fill up!
almost the last layer.
You could stick even more pom-poms on your tree or make a pattern from them.
You're so good making it.
I'm done!
Wait, it's not done yet because we need one pipe cleaner.
Now we take one pipe cleaner and make a shape of a star from it. Connect two ends of the pipe cleaner. Now we put it on the top of our tree.
It's a gingerbread man.
Maybe Anna thinks that this is gingerbread.
Wait, it's not a gingerbread man. It's a star and you can't eat it.
Look at this Christmas tree. It's done. Girls, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! Okay, guys, enjoy crafting with us and don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe. Bye bye.
Now it's coming